Have you ever wondered how some marine creatures glow? It seems like magic, but it's real. Bioluminescence. Marine animals use bioluminescence to communicate and survive. But how exactly does this phenomenon work beneath the waves? Let's dive into the science behind this glowing mystery. Bioluminescence refers to light produced by living organisms. This glow is created through a chemical reaction inside their bodies. Marine animals, like jellyfish, fireflies, and fish, use it. The light is a result of a substance called luciferin. Luciferin reacts with oxygen, producing light without heat. It's fascinating to think how creatures use it for many purposes. Some use it for mating or attracting food. Others use it to defend themselves from predators. But not all bioluminescence is the same. There are variations. Some creatures glow in different colors, like blue and green. The color depends on the type of luciferin they possess. The deeper you go, the more creatures glow in the ocean. Why is this? It's because light gets absorbed as you descend. As sunlight fades, bioluminescence takes over in the darkness. Bioluminescence is a survival tool for many species. It's essential for species that live in the deep sea. But how do these creatures produce light on demand? It's all thanks to a special enzyme called luciferase. When luciferin and luciferase combine, light is produced. This process doesn't generate any heat, just light. This phenomenon is so powerful, it's known to dazzle. In the animal kingdom, bioluminescence is not just for looks. Some fish use it to attract mates in the dark waters. Others use it to lure prey close enough to catch. The anglerfish, for example, uses a glowing lure. This lure resembles a glowing worm, attracting smaller fish. Some species even use their light to camouflage themselves. The light can mimic the surface, helping them avoid predators. So, bioluminescence isn't just beauty, it's a survival strategy. Marine animals use this light in ways that amaze scientists. It's not just about shining, it's about clever survival tactics. Let's take a closer look at how different species use light. One of the most interesting examples is the deep-sea squid. These squids use bioluminescence to hide from predators. Their glow matches the ambient light from above. Some species can control the brightness of their glow. This gives them precise control over their visibility. Imagine being able to turn off your light whenever you want. That's the kind of control bioluminescent creatures have. Now, let's dive deeper into how this amazing ability evolved. Bioluminescence has evolved in many marine animals over time. Scientists believe it started as a way to communicate. In the early stages, it might have been used for mating. But as species evolved, so did the ways they use light. The primary function of bioluminescence is survival. In the deep ocean, where sunlight is scarce, it becomes vital. Species like the lanternfish use bioluminescence to navigate. Their glowing patterns help them find food and avoid danger. The deep sea is a dark, mysterious place where light is rare. Animals here rely on bioluminescence more than those in shallow waters. For these creatures, it's not just about showing off. Their glow helps them blend in with the ocean's natural light. Some bioluminescent animals use their glow to communicate. Jellyfish, for instance, release glowing signals when threatened. This behavior alerts nearby animals to steer clear. The chemical reaction producing bioluminescence is highly efficient. Interestingly, this light is usually emitted in the blue-green spectrum. This color travels further in water, making it ideal for the deep sea. Some species, like the flashlight fish, have specialized organs. These organs emit light when the fish is startled or alert. In some species, light intensity varies depending on their mood. It's like their way of talking to each other in the dark. Many of these animals have evolved to produce this light from birth. The glow is not always constant, but can be turned on or off. This ability to switch light on and off is a powerful defense mechanism. One of the most fascinating uses of light is for predation. Certain fish use their glowing organs to attract smaller fish. They dangle their glowing lure in the deep to tempt prey. Once the prey comes too close, it's snatched up quickly. Some bioluminescent species can mimic the glow of plankton. By doing this, they trick their predators into attacking each other. This is a clever way of avoiding danger without moving a muscle. The idea of using light for hunting is thousands of years old. Over time, bioluminescence has adapted to meet the needs of each species. As environments changed, so did the role of this glowing light. In some animals, it's used to defend themselves against predators. For example, some squid release a glowing cloud to confuse attackers. This gives them time to escape to a safer location. Interestingly, bioluminescence has also evolved in the animal's organs. The structures that create light have become highly specialized. In certain species, bioluminescent cells are located all over the body. These cells, called photocytes, are arranged to maximize light output. The evolution of bioluminescence is still being studied today. But one thing is clear: bioluminescence is nature's most brilliant light show. The magic of bioluminescence begins with a chemical reaction. At the core of this reaction is a molecule called luciferin. Luciferin is the substance that emits light when it reacts with oxygen. But it needs a partner molecule, luciferase, to trigger the glow. When luciferin and luciferase come together, light is produced. This chemical reaction is called chemiluminescence. The beauty of this reaction is that it doesn't produce heat. The glow is cold, unlike fire or light bulbs that produce warmth. The efficiency of this reaction is what makes it so special. Most organisms can produce their own luciferin and luciferase. But interestingly, some species rely on symbiotic relationships. These animals carry bacteria that produce bioluminescence. The bacteria live inside special light organs within the host animal. The relationship benefits both the animal and the bacteria. The animal gets a glowing light to attract mates or prey. The bacteria, in turn, get a safe place to live and access to food. This is a perfect example of mutualism in the animal kingdom. While luciferin is the key to light, oxygen plays a major role. The enzyme luciferase reacts with oxygen to break down luciferin. The energy released from this reaction forms the visible light. Different animals have different versions of luciferin and luciferase. These variations result in different colors of light. For example, some animals glow blue, while others glow green. The blue light travels the furthest in water, making it more common. In some cases, bioluminescent light can flash or pulse in patterns. This adds another layer of complexity to the glowing world. Some creatures use blinking light signals to communicate with each other. This behavior is especially useful for attracting mates in the dark. Other species use pulsating light to create dazzling light shows. These displays can be used to confuse predators or warn enemies. The intensity and frequency of the light also vary between species. Some animals may produce a soft glow, while others shine brightly. A fascinating aspect of bioluminescence is its biological control. Animals control their light emission using nervous system signals. The brain sends messages to photocytes, telling them when to glow. This control allows the animal to time the release of light. In some species, the animal can even alter the brightness instantly. The ability to control bioluminescence is crucial for survival. Some species use the light to hide or deceive predators. Others use it to create a visual distraction during escape. The biological efficiency of the reaction makes it a true marvel. For scientists, understanding this process could lead to new technologies. Researchers are exploring how bioluminescence could be used in medicine. There's potential to apply this light in areas like diagnostics. But for now, bioluminescence remains one of nature's most intriguing phenomena. As we understand bioluminescence more, its potential grows. Scientists are studying how marine animals can inspire new technologies. Bioluminescence could revolutionize areas like medicine and energy. One exciting application is in medical imaging and diagnostics. Scientists are developing bioluminescent markers to detect diseases. These markers could help doctors visualize problems inside the body. This could lead to non-invasive techniques for early detection. Another field that could benefit is renewable energy. Researchers are exploring ways to harness bioluminescence for lighting. Imagine streets illuminated by natural, glowing light instead of bulbs. Bioluminescence could be a sustainable alternative to artificial lighting. It could also be used in creating eco-friendly signage and displays. The possibilities of bioluminescence in the tech world are vast. One idea is creating bioluminescent sensors for environmental monitoring. These sensors could track pollution levels or water quality. Bioluminescence is already being used in environmental research. Some scientists use glowing organisms to monitor ecosystem health. The unique light patterns of certain species reveal environmental changes. In the future, we may see bioluminescence used in bioengineering. Scientists are already creating bioluminescent plants for decoration. With the right advancements, bioluminescent plants could replace streetlights. Imagine walking through a park lit by glowing plants. This would create an entirely new way to think about sustainable lighting. But bioluminescence isn't just about practical applications. It also holds profound beauty and mystery for the human imagination. Bioluminescent creatures have inspired countless works of art and fiction. From glowing jellyfish in aquariums to sci-fi movies, it captivates us. The mesmerizing light shows underwater are part of Earth's magic. This natural phenomenon has sparked a deeper connection to the ocean. Bioluminescence also reminds us of the untapped mysteries of the sea. The more we learn, the more we realize how much is left to discover. New species of bioluminescent creatures are still being discovered today. The deep sea, once a mysterious void, is now revealing its secrets. With advanced technology, Scientists are uncovering new bioluminescent species. These discoveries help us understand the evolution of life on Earth, and they remind us of the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Protecting the oceans is more important than ever for our future. By preserving these ecosystems, we ensure the survival of bioluminescent life. Without them, the balance of the underwater world would shift. The beauty of bioluminescence is a reminder of nature's creativity. It shows us how life can adapt in unexpected and magical ways. As we explore further, who knows what new wonders we'll find? The ocean is full of light, both literal and metaphorical. Bioluminescence isn't just science. It's a glimpse into the future of nature.